Hello everyone, my name is Alex from Henson's Carpet. Today, we are here in Kitengela at Express Carpet Cleaning. We are excited to introduce to you our cutting-edge technology in the carpet cleaning business, our fully automated carpet cleaning machine. At Henson's Carpets, we deal with fully automated carpet cleaning machines from Turkey, which are top quality. We are going to take you through the process of carpet cleaning. The carpet cleaning process involves of 3 steps, that is the dusting, the washing and drying. This is an automated duster that does the dusting of the carpet. The dusting machine takes only 3 minutes to dust the carpet from the point they put it in the machine to the point that it's done dusting. As you can see, the duster does an amazing job. All this dust just from one carpet. Let's continue to a second step. This is the second step, which is the cleaning machine. With this machine, you are able to wash your carpet under 5 minutes. As you can see, we have an easy to use control panel to make the process easier for any user. With our washer, it's equipped with 4 brushes that is able to clean any stubble stain on your carpet. This is a trough that comes as an accessory with the machine. Is used to soak your carpet, just making sure that you use water efficiently. This is state-of-the-art motor that has 4 brushes that ensures that you're able to wash your carpet just under 5 minutes, ensuring a clean outcome of the carpet. This is the last step, which is the drying machine. The dryer is able to dry your carpet under 3 minutes. With our machine, you are able to deliver the carpet the same day. Also, the dryer comes with an option of a rinsing option, whereby it's also able to do both the rinsing and drying, and the process still takes under 3 minutes to dry the carpet completely. And from the dryer, the carpets are aired out for 10 or 15 minutes because they're already 97% dry. And there you have it, a complete solution from our fully automated machines. Contact us if you're interested in getting our machines. Thanks for watching.